the usage of Python programming. Second one is difference between C, C++, Java and Python. Next, third content is nothing but what are the features of Python. Next, fourth one is nothing but history of Python will be covered. Next, why Python is nothing but, for which purpose we are using Python is nothing but, nowadays more number of people are using Python language. That is nothing but it is simple programming language. That is nothing but first point is nothing but it is a simple programming language. Simple programming language is nothing but here in the declaration of Python program there is no declaration of data, that is header file declaration. Next one is no need to declare the main function, no need to declare the data type to the variables. Directly logic can be implemented and executed. That's why we can say that Python is a simple programming language. Next one is second point is nothing but length of the code. Length of the code is nothing but in C language to execute addition of two numbers we need 10 lines of coding. 10 lines of coding is nothing but first we need to declare the header files, that is hash include stdio.h. Next one hash include conio.h. After completion of header file declaration we need to mention the main program, that is void main. Next one we need to mention the curly braces open. Next one is nothing but we need to declare the variables for the program, that is int a comma b comma c. A value b value will be passed with the help of, that is keyboard, or otherwise directly we can assign the variable. Next third one is c variable is used to store the value. Next one, after passing the value c equal to a plus b will be performed. Next one c value will be printed. Next one is the closing of the program will be performed. That is in the C language to perform addition of two numbers we need 10 lines of coding. But in Python programming there is no declaration of the header file declaration. Next one main program. Next one is initialization of variable. Directly we can use the variable, that is a equal to 2 comma b equal to 3. A equal to 2 b equal to 3 is nothing but if you add both the values C result will be, that is 2 plus 3 equal to 5 will be produced. Next one you can see here with 3 lines of coding directly we can execute the program in the Python, that is nothing but a equal to 2 comma b equal to 3. We will assign two variables. Next one c equal to a plus b will be performed. Next one is nothing but directly print c. Print c means directly it will generate the output as 2 plus 3 equal to 5 is the output it will be generated. That is nothing but length of the code will be, that is length of the code is nothing but reduced in the Python programming. Next one is nothing but complex problems. Third problem is nothing but complex problems can be easily solved by using the Python programming. That is the meaning of this introduction to Python. Introduction to Python is nothing but Python is a simple programming language. That is simple programming language is nothing but directly without declaration, without any declaration, directly the logic can be implemented and execution can be performed. That's why it can be taken as simple. Next one, length of the coding is reduced in the Python programming is nothing but the logic. Directly logic will be defined and execution will be performed. That's why the length of the coding will be reduced in the Python programming. That is third point is nothing but complex problem can be easily solved in the Python programming. That is nothing but the first point, that is introduction to Python. That is here you can see here why Python is nothing but first point is nothing but it is a simple programming language. Next one is length of the code will be reduced in the Python programming. Next one, complex problems can be easily solved. That is nothing but you can see here length will be reduced, that's why easily we can solve the problem. Next one is nothing but the second point you can see here in this one why Python, after completion of why Python. Next one is nothing but difference between C, C++, Java. Next one is nothing but Python. You can see here what are the difference between C, C++ and Java and Python programming is nothing but first point comes under the different programming languages. Language type is nothing but you can see here language type is nothing but that is C language is a procedure oriented programming. That is nothing but language type is nothing but implementation of C program can be performed in procedure oriented programming. Next one, C language, C++, that is nothing but it is object oriented programming. Here objects are created in the C++. Same in the Java programming also, Java is a object oriented programming. Object oriented programming is nothing but objects are created in Java and implementation of program will be happen in both C++ and Java. Next one, here you can see here C programs is nothing but in the procedure oriented program. By using the predefined function, we execute the programs is nothing but a procedure oriented programming. Next one is nothing but a Python programming. Python programming, that is both, that is procedure oriented and object oriented. Procedure oriented and object oriented is nothing but it follows the usage of functions concept, and the next one is nothing but object concept. That is nothing but you can see here predefined functions can be used in the procedure oriented programming. In the object oriented programming, that is nothing but it will create the objects and we perform the execution. That is nothing but language type is nothing but a implementation. Implementation, C can be implemented by using the procedure oriented programming. C++ is implemented by using object oriented programming. Next one, Java is also implemented by using object oriented programming. Next one, Python is implemented in both, that is procedure oriented programming and object oriented programming. Here it is nothing but procedure oriented means predefined functions will be used. Next one is nothing but we can create the objects for the program and we can implement the program. That is nothing but implementation, that is nothing but a language type. Building block in different programming language is nothing but already the point is covered, it is nothing but a function driven programming. Next one is nothing but C++ is the object oriented or object driven programming. Next one is Java is a that is object oriented and class driven programming. Next one is nothing but the next one in the Python programming, it comes under, that is nothing but building blocks are nothing but it uses of both the functions concept, object oriented programming, that is class driven program. That is building blocks are nothing but C is a function driven programming, C++ is a object driven programming, that is Java is nothing but object driven and class driven programming. Next one, Python is nothing but both comes under C and C and Python, that is function driven and object and class driven programming. Next one, extension of the C language is nothing but with the .c extension we can create the program in C. Next one, C++ is nothing but .cpp. .cpp extension we can save the programs in C++. Next one, Java programs is saved with .java extension. Next, Python programming is saved with .py extension. These are the different types of extensions we are using different programming language. C with .c extension. Next one, Python that is C++ is saved with .cpp extension. Next, Java is saved with .java extension. Next one is nothing but Python is saved with .py extension. Next one, platform. Platform is nothing but C is dependent. Dependent means it will execute in only some operating system. That is nothing but a C is a dependent programming language. Next one is nothing but C++. It can execute in any operating system. That can be called as independent. Next one, C++. C++ is nothing but a independent. Independent means we can execute in any platform. So that's why it can be called as independent. Next one, Python programming is also independent. Independent means it can execute in any operating system. That is nothing but it can be executed in Windows operating system. It can be executed in Linux operating system. Next one is nothing but Mac OS. It can be executed. That is nothing but a independent meaning. That is C is a dependent. Next one, C++ or next one is nothing but Java. Next one is nothing but Python programming is independent. Independent means it can execute in any operating system, but C language is dependent. It can execute in some operating system only. Next one, comments in the different programming language is nothing but in the C language the comments can be implemented by /*. Next one, closing is nothing but *# is nothing but the comment style in C language programming. Next one is nothing but comments in C++ is nothing but single line comments and multi-line comments. Single line comments are implemented with double slash. Next one, multi-line comments are implemented in, that is hash star star hash. That is multi-line comments in the C++. Next, in Java programming also same, that is single line comments are represented with a double slash. Next, multi-line comments are implemented with hash star, closing with nothing but star hash is the closing of the multi-line comments. Next one, a comment style in Python programming is nothing but single line comments are implemented with hash. That is single line comments are implemented with hash. Next one is nothing but multi-line comments. Multi-line comments is nothing but, you can see here, multi-line comments are nothing but double quotes open, next one double quotes close, or single lines open. Single line comments can be also used, that is single line comments open, single line comments close, that is we can use in the Python programming. Single line comments are represented with in Python programming, that is hash is nothing but single line comment. Multi-line comments are nothing but, that is double quotes open, double quotes close are the implementation of a multi-line comments in the Python programming. Next one, translation type. Translation type is nothing but, it is compiled. Compiled is nothing but in the C language the program will be converted, that is source code will be converted to the machine level code, that is translation type is nothing but compiled. Compiled is nothing but source code will be converted to the machine line is nothing but a compiled. Next one, in the C is also, that is nothing but a compiled. Compiled is nothing but source code will be converted to the machine level language. But Java, you can see here both, it is compiled type and next one interpreter. Next one, compiled is nothing but you can see here source code will be converted into another programming. Interpreter is nothing but directly the program will be executed, that is nothing but there is no translation type, that is program will not be converted to another type is nothing but a interpreted. Python is an interpreted language. Interpreted language in the sense is nothing but directly it can be executed is nothing but a interpreter one. Next with database connectivity. Database connectivity is nothing but you can see here in C language not supported. Next one is nothing but you can see here database is also not supported in the C++. Next one, Java and Python is nothing but it is supported. Database connectivity is supported in both the language, that is nothing but Java is supported. Next one is nothing but Python is also supplied. Next one, representing block of statement in C++. Next one, Java, that is open bracket, that is curly braces open, curly braces close, that is block of statement can be implemented in C language, that is here you can see here, that is curly brace open, curly brace close. Next one, in C++ also the curly braces open, curly braces close, that is block of statement can be implemented. Next one is nothing but you can see here in Java also block of statement can be implemented with, that is curly braces open, curly braces close. Next one is nothing but in Python programming there is no usage of curly braces, that's why it can be taken as indentation. Indentation is nothing but you can see here colon will be represented. Colon will be represented with that one we can execute the program in the Python. Here you can see here in the different programming language C, C++, Java, block of statement can be implemented by curly braces open, curly braces close. Next one, in Python programming there is no usage of curly braces and curly braces open close. That's why indentation is the symbol that will be used to usage of block of statement. Next one, declaration of variable. Declaration of variable is in the different programming C, C++, Java. That is declaration of variable can be happen in different programming C, C++ and Python program, that is Java, that is declaration of variable can be required. Next one, in Python programming there is no declaration of variable can be used. Next one is nothing but applications. Application is nothing but where, that is C, C++, Java and Python programming are used, that is applications of C program is nothing but in the compiler, interpreter and embedded programming, that is the applications of C are used. Next one is nothing but applications of C++ is nothing but simple desktop application, embedded system etc. are used in the C++. Next one, Java. Java applications are used in, that is desktop GUI. GUI is nothing but graphical user interface. Next one, mobile web, gaming etc. these are used. Next one is nothing but Fourth one, in the Python application, where Python applications are used is nothing but in the usage of desktop application. Next one is nothing but gaming, networking, etc. These are being used. Next one, IDE is nothing but execution type. That is program execution. That is, IDE is nothing but integrated development environment. Is nothing but the execution type. C programs can be executed in either in Turbo C or code blocks. Next one, the execution of C++ program is nothing but we can execute in Turbo C++ or code blocks. The programs can be executed. Next one, Java program. That is Eclipse or NetBeans software we can execute. Next one is nothing but in Python we can execute different software. That is nothing but PyCharm is a one software, IDLE is another software. Next one, MyDiv is another software. Next one, Jupyter is one software. Notebook is another software. Next one is Spider is one software. Next one is Anaconda will be there. That is, we are using different software to execute the Python programming. Here you can see here IDE is nothing but a software where we can execute the program. That is nothing but C programs can be executed in Turbo C. Next one, code blocks. Next one, a C++ program can be executed in Turbo C++ or code blocks. Next one, Java programs can be executed in Eclipse or NetBeans. Next one, Python programs can be executed in Anaconda, Spider, IDLE. Next one, PyCharm, etc. We can use in different software to execute the programs in Python.